Alright guys, so we swung the car over a little bit here and gives me room to work on this side. I think I'm going to peel off this fender and this wheel. See how much it fights me today. Okay, so we got this all wire brushed and rust converted and primer. There's some rust down along the bottom here, but I'll cut that out when I get the body up in the air. So got some clamps on here just to get everything flush, make that body line nice before I weld it. If you're building one of these, definitely get some of them. They have a little bar that goes through that tab at the back, and when you crank up on that wing nut, it just flushes everything out nice. So yeah, we'll put a few tacks on there. And then the same thing with this one here, is there's a little support right in here that's broken, so it'll lift it up a little bit like the other side. You can kind of see there's a nice square there, right there. That'll be the same here when I'm done. Alright. Alright, so we got the visor in there, and that piece behind it. Everything's rust proof and primed. Just makes the front of the car look awesome. There's still some waves in it and stuff, but once I get welding in the supports and that, it'll straighten it out. So now I'm going to attempt that patch on the cowl. See if I can get it in and weld it in today. Alright guys. Okay. We got that all repaired. The metal bends down underneath. Just going to wait for that to dry and put some filler on it. And then maybe we can hang the door today too. So came out pretty good. Put some kitty hair and some smooth filler and stuff on it before we fit the door. Make sure nothing warped and all that stuff. Alright guys, we got the last patch knocked out. I was going to put in a roll pan, but I think it's going to be too low for anything there. Put everything up higher maybe. But haven't quite decided if I'm going to filler in these bullet holes in the bottom or not. But probably welding a couple little patches there. But that's just not really connected to the body. I could actually take that piece off and do it. So I'm going to call that a win. That's the whole body. Right on. No more patching. Just got to weld on and chop the door too here. So, all right, guys, we got the door hung, got it chopped and welded. Still got to grind it, kitty hair it. Got all the rust proofing on it, both inside and out. So that's the body. She's together. And now it'll just be kind of like the tedious stuff, filling in little dents and doing the fine filler, getting it like straight enough for paint, right? But yeah. Pretty soon she can come off the body, and I might actually patch those bullet holes too, so might as well while I'm doing it. Yeah, got some more welding to do in the visor and stuff, and got to put some braces on it and that, and weld in that top and get the sides attached to it just so it doesn't, you know, flop around up high. The bottom has lots of support, but we'll do a little bit of that maybe today too. Alright, I think that's about what I'm going to do for today. I'm out of sandpaper and grinder discs, so it's a lot done today.
너답지 breaking good life is good 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을 for better life for better love 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어 I don't give a fuck who should give a fuck 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거 No one give a fuck take care of a house 이러다만 다 나이 먹었어 후회하지 않아 나요 Let's be straight enemies match for technique cardio terminate 좁아봐봐 좋은 새끼들만의 주제를 알아매요 making really getting icy zone flexing I've been serving make it trendy we look sexy here we go making really getting icy zone flexing I've been serving make it trendy we look sexy 이루어도 많은 시간 살 돈이 섣불리 시작해서 이제 밥벌이 랩 스타일 비슷해 내 스타일 this track 고마워 네 관심은 passion이 가출의 양는 매일에는 정중히 의자 들어볼 일 없어 우리 pardon me 윗고기 마시기 전에 차린 정신 두 변하게 미쳐버린 네 도전들은 타이밍에 Ball like a launcher ring get the shot go free throw 나는 몸을 하면 그때 벌고 변한 건 없어 Don't like a full bro 좀 달라 보여 그거 벗겨진 색안경 놈쟁이였던 놈 이제 벌어들어 one currency 바꿔 Cash rules everything around me 유명세는 너 나가서 fuck that love Making really getting icy zone flexing I've been serving making trendy we look sexy here we go making really getting icy zone flexing I've been serving making trendy we look sexy
I think that's it for this video, guys. Take her easy. Remember, stay tuned.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba